I managed to sneak back out on. Oh man, I love this thing. What a fun time. The crazy part, what I'm super shocked about, is actually how fun this bike is just riding the single track. I mean, I'm sure people totally think I'm crazy saying that, but man, it's fun doing that. Alrighty, maybe play around on some of these logs. Of course, being as careful as possible. Definitely riding within some of my limits here. We'll try this log pyramid. Oh man, what a, oh my god, I love this thing. Better not try some of the bigger stuff, obviously. But like, oh. Oh, there's the other nice part about this. If I was on my dirt bike right now, there's no way I would have been able to hold that up. So there you go. That's awesome. I'd be really curious to try a two-stroke, obviously, and being a two-stroke guy, but the four-stroke here, like this is phenomenal. How fun. And you can really see the opportunity. I'm not going to try it, obviously, but to practice some of these slow wheelies, you know, it just gets right up there. No problem. Oh my god, this thing's just so much fun. Yeah, I could try. What an excellent, excellent little bike. Very easy to balance. It feels great. Oh my goodness. I could just spend all day on one of these things. You know, this is something, just doing this and the amount of fun it is, it's really something that I would, when I'm getting on in age, like 50, 60 years old, and I can't ride a big bike anymore or something, or whatever it is, I'm buying one of these, just gonna ride this all the time. Like, this is, I think if you just stayed used to it, stayed relatively fit for an old guy, this would be excellent. I'm gonna try a bit of a bit of a trick here, maybe. I'm gonna ride up on that log there, try and stop in the middle, balance, see if we can't pop a wheelie off. Not sure how this will go, but let's see. Go up. Oh, I love this. What a time. Now here's the real question, do I dare go across this? The answer is no. I don't want to dump it in that mud. I'd feel bad. Though it's awfully tempting.